Hey, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero, and I'm on another inspection of a crawl space that was encapsulated by another company. Now, all in all, there's no mold growth. There's nothing to control the humidity in here. Once again, this is the second one I've been in today that there's no environmental controls. So this definitely has the potential to start getting a lot of fungal growth. So I'm going to recommend that they have a dehumidifier installed in here. But one of the concerns was the sub pump. They've never heard it kick on since they moved in. So first of all, there's no lid. So if water was to get in, it would just evaporate right back over. This wasn't sealed over it very well at all, and that's not really how you should do that as a professional. But you can see how dry inside this sub pump it really is. Again, no water's really ever made it in here. There's no perforations around the basin like they're supposed to be. So water can't even get in that's around the sub pump unless it came from above or went into the drain tile. But this should all be perforated on the inside of that. You know, the sub pump on the discharge line on the other side, discharges right to the other side of the foundation. Even though they have enough fall, it should go underground, and we'll get that corrected as well. But as far as sub pumps go, if you guys have seen enough of my videos lately, basically, if you want a sub pump installed correctly the first time, please give HydroHero a call, 302-321-7077. Find us on the web at hydrohero.com, and thanks so much. Have a wonderful day.